The legendary Nokia N95 is back in 2027, and it's not just a comeback, it's a complete reinvention of an icon. For anyone who remembers the golden era of mobile phones, this device hits with a wave of nostalgia. But don't be fooled, this is a modern flagship dressed in classic DNA. Right out of the box, the 2027 Nokia N95 feels premium. It keeps that iconic slider design, but now it's smoother, stronger, and more refined than ever. The dual slide mechanism is back. Slide up for media controls, slide down for a full keypad, but now enhanced with haptic feedback and ultra-durable materials. It's the perfect blend of retro vibes and futuristic engineering. The display is a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with 2K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the smoothness is next level whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching content. Nokia clearly didn't hold back here. This screen competes with the best in the market. Performance-wise, the new N95 is powered by a flagship-level processor paired with up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. Everything feels lightning fast, apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and gaming performance is flawless. This phone is built not just for nostalgia lovers, but for power users. Now let's talk about cameras, because this is where things get seriously impressive. The 2027 N95 features a quad camera setup with a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide lens, periscope zoom, and a dedicated cinematic video lens. Photos come out sharp, detailed, and rich in color, even in low light. The zoom capabilities are insane. You can capture distant objects with incredible clarity. And yes, it brings back that classic camera phone king reputation in a big way. Battery life is another win. Packed with a 5,000 mAh battery, it easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Fast charging and wireless charging are both included, so you're never stuck waiting. What truly makes this phone special is the experience. Nokia has kept the UI clean and smooth, with minimal bloatware, giving you a fast and pure Android feel. At the same time, they've added subtle throwback touches, like classic ringtone remasters and customizable themes inspired by the original N95. Audio quality is also top tier, with stereo speakers tuned for rich and loud output. Whether you're listening to music or watching videos, the sound experience is immersive. In a world full of similar-looking smartphones, the 2027 Nokia N95 stands out boldly. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. A perfect mix of past and future, style and performance. If you want something unique, powerful, and packed with personality, this might just be the most exciting phone of the year.